Welcome children in bio class. Children, I am going to tell you about discovery of recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology developed at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA, when Dr. Hargobind Khurana and his companions synthesized first gene in the laboratory. The technology involved this technology, recombinant DNA technology, evolved because of the following discoveries. In that first discovery was denaturation and renaturation of DNA. You know, two strands of DNA or polynucleotide chain of DNA are joined by hydrogen bonds. So these two strands easily separate on heating. So when we are heating, hydrogen bonds between their nitrogenous bases break down quickly and both strands separated. This is called denaturation of DNA. On cooling, the two complementary strands of denatured DNA reunite with the formation of hydrogen bonds and double-stranded structure is restored. There is complementary base pairing. Therefore, double-stranded structure of DNA is restored. This is called renaturation. So in the denaturation, two strands of DNA are going to separate because of breaking of hydrogen bonds. It is by heating, and on cooling, both strands of DNA again reunite and restore the double-stranded structure of DNA. This is called renaturation. Second is artificial synthesis of gene in vitro. First time Dr. Hargobind Khurana synthesized a segment of DNA or a gene in the laboratory. So development of technique of artificial synthesis of desired nucleotide sequences from the mixture of deoxyribonucleotides is the artificial synthesis of gene in vitro. Third is restriction endonuclease. Restriction endonuclease is an enzyme. These enzymes are known as cleaving enzymes because these enzymes are used to cut or cleave DNA molecule into many fragments at a specific site. So restriction endonuclease enzymes are called molecular seizure. These enzymes recognize specific palindromic sequence of nitrogenous bases in DNA. The palindromic sequences form restriction site or recognition site or target sites. And restriction endonuclease enzymes cut the DNA molecule into many segments. Next was use of plasmids or phages as vector. So identification of plasmids and their ability to replicate independent of bacterial cell multiplication also helped in the development of recombinant DNA technology. So due to these discoveries, recombinant DNA technology evolved. So children, you have to learn. So what are the discoveries due to which recombinant DNA technology evolved? In that, first was denaturation and renaturation of DNA. Second, artificial synthesis of gene in vitro. Fourth, discovery of restriction endonuclease enzyme. Fourth, use of plasmids or fax as vector.